Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. So a couple of weeks ago I posted here on YouTube that I was going to be redoing my whole makeup room slash office room. I'm so excited to be starting this little series of videos that I'll be uploading here within the next month. You know, I just want to share everything with you guys. I want to share the whole process. So as of today, I'll be taking you guys with me to go shopping for a few things for this makeup room. My goal is to get some mirrors because this makeup room has no mirrors. I also want to maybe get some lamps, and we'll see what else I can find. But before we do that, I wanted to go ahead and show you what this makeup room looks like in its full messy glory. So here's what it looks like. I will be redoing mainly everything. I will be changing the wall color. I will be getting a new desk, a new chair. I'll be getting more storage. Over here you can see that I just have this table here for storage, and it's just not working because I need more storage for all my paperwork for my office. My pictures that I have on my wall will be going. More than likely, I'll be getting rid of them, selling them, giving them away. I'm not sure yet. Here you can see my glasses right here on this table. I definitely need a different storage for my glasses. You may look at them and be like, girl, you have a lot of glasses, but believe it or not, I had way more sunglasses than this, but I downsized. I got rid of a lot of them, and these are the ones that I really love. They're mad dusty right now because, like I said, well, like I said in my post, I'm not sure if you read it, but if you did, I said, you know, this room's been neglected. It definitely has been neglected. As you can see, it's just, I feel like I have just a bunch of hodgepodge things in here, just whatever came from my previous home. I just threw it in here because this room really has been on, you know, on hold for a while because other rooms in my home have been priority. So I really haven't been, you know, doing anything to this room. It's just being used. That's it. So here you can see my desk is messy. I know, don't judge your girl. I mean, come on. We all have all those days. But I want it to be completely real and raw right now. This fucking table is a mess. Yes, I know. But, you know, we're going to get it together. That's the point of this video. So as far as the curtains go over there, I don't know if I'm going to change the curtains. I might keep those curtains. As you can see, my rod right here is like pushed out. I need to push that sucker back in. So over here on this wall, I used to have a ton of purses on this wall, but I recently got rid of the purses that I just didn't want anymore. I gave them to my mom. So she has those now. I did downsize. I'm left with maybe maybe 4 purses and like 2 backpacks. I'm not sure. All right, so over here is my rug that I will be using for my new makeup room. And then down here's a little sneaky peeky right here. It's a little sneaky peeky at what's going to maybe be my makeup brushes, holders, I guess you would call them. Here I have some tobacco baskets, and then I have this sign. This has just been here. I got these all on sale a few months ago when Hobby Lobby was having a huge sale. As you can see, this huge treadmill. Let's not forget about this sucker. So this huge treadmill is taking up a ton of room, and it's now being used as a storage rack. As you can see, I have purses hanging off of it and backpacks, and then here I have some flowers. And then down here's like a Walmart bag and some stuff down here that, you know, I need to get together in this home. So what I'm going to be doing to this room is everything. New paint, new desk, more storage. I'll also be getting some new lighting because, as you can see, it is extremely dark in here, and it's maybe 4 o'clock in the evening. So whenever I do my makeup, I always have to open that window, and it's just, you know, it's a no-go. I need more lighting. I obviously need more mirrors because the only mirror I have is that one there, and I need more mirrors in here. I also want this room to be super comfortable. I want to be able to come in here and unwind. I want to be able to come in here and chill, and I want to be able to come in here and watch TV and listen to my music, you know, just to relax, just have a little spot in the house for myself. So that's my goal with this room. Here is my new chair, but I don't want to show you what it looks like quite yet, but I promise I will. soon. Maybe my next video I'll show you what it looks like, because I'm going to be doing a haul of everything that I've received so far, because I want to share everything with you guys. You know, I want you guys to maybe get inspired to remake your own little, you know, special spot in your house or your room or whatever it is that you're trying to do. Let's go ahead and let's go shopping, because I'm so excited to get this room started. I'm sick of it looking like this and I'm done neglecting it. So come along with your girl and let's go shopping.
I almost took myself out. With this tripod, almost took me out the game. I almost killed myself with that fucking treadmill.
Eso es lo que conmigo encontraste tu abrigo y por ahí encontraste algo más. Tú lo sabes.
Now we're here at Hobby Lobby and I'm looking for a mirror because I really need one for my room, but I'm not seeing any that I really like. So I think I'm gonna try Home Goods, but I'm really excited because I see some Christmas stuff up top in like some of the aisles. So I'm also looking for some lamps, but I'm probably not gonna get them here because they're way too expensive here at Hobby Lobby. I'll probably get them like at Home Goods, somewhere like that. We'll see. They have a bunch of cute stuff here though. Like those right here are cute. Don't love them, but they're cute. Oh, those are really cute. These right here. But I think I want a white top. So I don't know. They do have a bunch of cute stuff here though. And I'm also looking for some throw pillows, but I think I'll get those at Home Goods as well. I just wanted to try Hobby Lobby to see if maybe they had something, but no, I'm not finding anything. I also wanted to look at the wall decor. So there's some lips up there, which is not what I'm going for. There is some stuff that can possibly go in a makeup room, but once again, I'm not in love with it. There's this down here. Alright, so I found this mirror here, and I think I like this mirror right here. It's $80. I think that's perfect price. I think I'm gonna go with that mirror there. So this is really cute. I also like this. This is $39, which is pretty cool. I kind of want to use this as like a coffee table. I'm not sure. I kind of want something round, or even square would be nice, but maybe round. Okay, so there's kids yelling, but I'm here looking at the flowers as well because I need some decor pieces. When it comes to my room, I really don't want a bunch of decor in there. I really want it to be functional for what I need it for, and that's basically my office slash makeup room, and mainly my makeup room. So I don't want a bunch of decor pieces, but I do want some cute stuff, you know? I love this, but I'm not liking the colors. Alright, guys, so here is this gold mirror here. This is at Ross. Ross has some awesome deals. Look at this. So this is 60 bucks for this mirror here. I don't know, I really like this one. So it's between that one and this one here. Where's the price on this one? This one's cheaper. This one's $50. I don't know, you guys. Should I go with gold or should I go with the silver? I'm kind of leaning towards the gold for like a pop. And if I don't like it, I could always bring it back. And I can always spray paint this. I know it's really pretty. Like, look at this. I could always spray paint that if I don't like it. Oh, we'll see. Let me see what to do. This is why I wish you guys would follow me on Instagram. It's ChristyRocksXO, so I could ask you these types of questions because I don't know. And they have these as well, but I don't really want something that big. So yeah, man, I don't know. I don't know. Well, let me contemplate, guys. So now we're here at Burlington, and I'm looking for a couple of decor pieces. This is kind of cute. but I'm not sure if I love that color. I really love this color here, but I don't really care for how tall they are. And I could always take them out and like cut them up, but I really don't want to do all that. That is $24. So that's basically the color that I'm looking for when it comes to flowers. And I'm not really seeing that. I see a bunch of light pink and this pink, it's like more like a flamingo baby pink. Okay. So there's a lot of artwork to look at here, which is good because you have a lot of selections. Don't know if I'm going to find anything that I like. However, I'm going to look. But first, I think I need to go to the restroom.
Mi Pikachu, pues yo te elijo. Siempre apunto a lo fijo. Por eso estoy contigo. Y porque la pasamos genial. Es un castigo. Es solo que conmigo encontraste tu abrigo. Y por ahí encontraste algo más. Tú lo sabes. No nos desviemos del caso. Solo tú y yo, mujer. Tú eres perfecta, tú eres mi caro. Y yo puedo ser tu nena. Sé que tú quieres más de eso. Flaca, tírame ese hueso. Que él no te dio lo que te di. Y no solo hablo del sexo. Lo que yo te di. Baby, te quiero para mí.